Gosh. Y'all seriously use these old ticket nonsense to report people? That method is old and outdated for your modern server. But don't worry. I will show you a new method to set up this type of report. It's super easy. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Now back to the topic. You need two things, Sapphire bot. The second is drag the bot above all the roles. And make sure the bot has admin perm. Now come to Sapphire dashboard. Log in and select your server here. Once that's done, enable moderation tab and click Save Changes. Now click Setup and User Reports. Here you can enable all the topics. You can customize reasons for report. You need to add roles and channels. Here add the channel where reports will be sent. Here add the role that will pinged after getting a new report. It could be staff. And here you can add role that's eligible to report. It could be verified or members role. Now I will show you how to report someone. It's super easy, just use /command. For reason, you can pick the option and write a context or comment. And once that's done, you can attach a screenshot or proof. Once the user gets reported, the staff will receive the report and a ping too. And then they can decide what to do with this user. You can see multiple actions. They can even get the user's info, so they can talk to the user before taking any action. So yup, I guess that is it for today's video. This method will certainly make your server look modern. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.